Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.4 question number 2. Compare the fractions. Compare the fractions and put an appropriate sign. This is question number A is question number A, that is 3 by 6, 3 by 6 box, and it is 5 by 6, 5 by 6. Here suppose we have taken one figure and we divide it into 6 parts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but these are not equal. Let us rub this one. Let us do once again, that is 3 by 6, 3 by 6 will find 6 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Suppose these parts are equal, right? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 part, and 3 part is suppose shaded. That means this part is 3 by 6, 3 by 6. Next one 5 by 6. If we draw the same figure, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose all the parts are equal, then 5 by 6 means 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 by 6. 5 by 6. From the figure we understood that 5 by 6, that 3 by 6 is less than 5 by 6, right? Also you can say that denominator is same, therefore the number which is greater, that will be greater, that is 5 by 6 is greater than 3 by 6. This is question number A. Now question number B. Question number B is 1 by 7 and 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Here we draw a figure like this. If we divide it into 7 part, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And suppose one part is shaded. This is 1 by 7, 1 by 7. Again, we are repeating the same. That is, if we divide it into 4 parts, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this part you will sub this part, that is 1 by 4 out. Now you see 1 by 4 is greater than 1 by 7, therefore 1 by 4 or 1 by 7 is less than 1 by 4, right? Now question number C. Question number C is 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. Here you see denominator is same, therefore the number which is greater than the numerator will be greater, therefore 4 by 5 is less than 5 by 5, right? That is question number C. Now question number D. Question number D is, here we are doing question number D. Question number D is 3 by 5 and 3 by 7. For this we have to make the remainder same. That is, here what is the LCM? 5 into 7, that is 35. That is, if we make 3 by 5, we have to multiply it by 7 and and 3 is also multiplied by 7. Now put the denominator same, that is 3 by 5, 3 by 5. And what is the LCM? 5 into 7, that is 35. That means if we multiply 5 with 7 and also 3 with 7, this is 321 by 35. We are making the remainder same. In this case also 3 by 7, 3 by 7, we will multiply 8 by 5, 5 by 5, then we are getting 5 3 is 15 and 5 7 is 35. Here you see that 21 by 35 is greater than 15 by 35. Therefore 3 by 5 is greater than 3 by 7. Okay, that means you have to make the denominator same. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.